You're about to start the first foundational part of the DevOps Bootcamp. The first 3 modules are really laying the ground for you to become an excellent engineer with DevOps skills. So OS and Linux skills, mastering version control with Git, and build and packaging tools with in-depth understanding of the underlying concepts will be like building a strong, unshakable foundation of a house that you are building. To track your progress on a week-to-week basis, we created the schedule breakdown. So within 3 weeks of 15 hours a week time investment from you, you should have built this strong engineering knowledge foundation and achieved your first large milestone in this bootcamp. So we split the bootcamp in 4 levels or phases, and instead of thinking about completing the bootcamp all the way till the end, I want you to focus on the first milestone and basically commit to putting in time and effort to getting to the level 2. Because when you have a smaller scope of a goal, it's much more manageable and realistic for you to achieve that. And that's why we split up the bootcamp in 4 parts and we created a weekly breakdown of each level of the bootcamp that you are gonna go through. So you are just starting your journey, and the next 3 weeks is gonna be probably the most important phase for you in this bootcamp to not only build that foundational knowledge that I mentioned, but also build the momentum to then continue to level 2, 3, and eventually level 4. And I want you to keep your eyes on completing this level and really covering the ground with these foundational tools in the following 3 weeks. So you can download the weekly schedule for level 1, for the phase 1 of the bootcamp in this lecture, and use it as a guideline to motivate you as well as serve as a self-check that you are on the right track and making progress towards achieving your first milestone. So grab the learning schedule for the next few weeks, enjoy the learning, and I'll check with you when you reach that first milestone.